back, and this time we're headed to Old Town. So I'll give you a little history on the way, but in the meantime, let's enjoy a little Italy. To Old Town. This is the transit center. So we are going to go from here to the more historic part. Visiting Old Town San Diego is a seamless journey. If arriving by plane, the San Diego International Airport is a convenient gateway. From there, a short drive or a car sharing service will take you to the heart of Old Town. Alternatively, the city's efficient public transportation system offers bus and trolley services, making it easy to access this historic gem. And here we are. It's a nice little map. Old Town San Diego, the birthplace of California. We're gonna explore some of these spots. Welcome to the heart of Southern California, where the sands of time seem to stand still, Old Town San Diego. This historical district is a living tapestry of the past, where echoes of early Californian settlers and their vibrant culture resonate through the streets. This is a beautifully preserved state park. Nestled in the bosom of modern San Diego, Old Town stands as a living testament to the city's roots. Established in 1769, it was California's first European settlement and remained a vital hub for trade and culture during the 19th century. The adobe buildings, cobbled streets, and historic landmarks take visitors on a captivating journey through Spanish, Mexican, and American heritage. This is the first San Diego courthouse, which was, let's take a little history look here. 1847, first fire-bricked structure in San Diego, constructed by the Mormon Battalion. 1849, headquarters of the U.S. Boundary Commission. 1850, served as a courthouse, church, school, and polling place over the next 2 decades. 1872, destroyed by fire. And in 1992, it was then reconstructed. Let's keep exploring. Saltwater tattoo. So it's important to note we have a mixture of preserved state replica as well as new shops that have taken root here and provide products and services to visitors who come to the historic state park. And this is the Artisan Center. Wonderful craftsmanship throughout the space. made it to one end of the state park of Old Town. We're going to go back around and get some other areas. So keep watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel. That's the Old Town Market. Before we go into the market, I want to explore maybe a few unknown areas. See if there are any hidden gems around here. Also, we're here during a weekday, so it's not very crowded, which is always nice.